Look at this sophisticated and beautiful machine. What's this?
This is our fully automatic packing machine, customized for our customer. Follow me, let me show you the machine. There are flake ice machine, ice crusher, ice cube machine, tube ice machine, and our water processor.
Is it complicated to operate this packing machine?
Of course not, it is user-friendly. Firstly, turn on the machine. Press the manual switch. Wait till the cylinder temperature reaches the setting temperature. Then pressing the auto switch. The machine will run automatically, no requirement for manual operation, providing one-stop service from ice making to packing.
How much ice can be packed in each bag?
Capacity of each bag range from 1 to 5 kilograms. You can adjust the capacity according to your needs. Wow, the ice is transparent and regular.
This automatic packing machine is really good. I believe our customers will be very satisfied.
Yes, wish our clients a prosperous and booming business.